Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. This is daily video research dedicated to the euro currency, and as usual we will talk about the euro currency and start from the daily time frame. Well, on the daily time frame, in fact, we do not see any really new from our weekly research market stance as previously in the tight range. This is some kind of a classical pennant pattern, this continuation pattern. Well, from the another point of view, this is some condition on the market that we could treat as indecision, since Euro Union is hardly turned to resolving the problem of the Greece, but currently we see the another problems that comes from the Italy, and this just confusing the market expectation and assessing of the current situation on the in the Euro Union. So that's why investors should to decide and treat current conditions on the Euro Union and to forecast possible results of all events that now is happening in the Euro Union. So that's why market stands in some tight range. You can see that market is forming side by side intraday trading sessions. So in fact, almost during the 5 trading sessions, market stands in the range of that bar. That was the continuation of the plunge. That's plunge, okay? So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, current 5th bar now stands inside the range. So sooner rather than later, this pattern will be broken. And if we're speaking pure technically, this breakout has the more probabilities to happen to the downside, since this is the classical pattern of continuation, some flag or pennant after strong thrust down, continuation. This could be the continuation to the downside with the approximate target around 134. Well, but it's better to wait and safer to wait some real breakout on the market before entering in one or other direction, since now market are more driven by the fundamental events and news that it's impossible to predict currently. Well, and although technical picture looks bearish, some important news could just turn everything upside down, and market could show some fast acceleration to the upside if there will be some significant and positive news from the Euro Union. But speaking about technical picture, it of course bearish, since daily trend is currently bearish. Market stands below the weekly pivot point. You will see it a bit later on the 4-hour time frame. And in general, this is the bearish continuation pattern mast of the pennant, and the possible breakout after this could be lead to the target around 134. So the equal length of the mast should be counted to the downside. This is a classical approach of trading with this pattern. So formally, you could, for instance, try to enter somewhere short. If you would like to trade this potential pattern, you could try enter short somewhere from the upper border of this pattern with the placing stop somewhere above it, okay, with the hope that market will show some breakout to the downside. But currently I do not see any significant pattern that could give us more confidence and solid confidence that probably market will continue to the downside. Some acceleration, further acceleration to the side. It's in fact nothing. Just relatively bearish signs. This market stands below the pivot point, and overall the picture on the daily time frame that is also bearish. On the 4-hour time frame, we see some kind of horizon channel, parallel channel to the upside. It's really difficult to comment this price action of current week, since this is in fact very choppy and sloppy price action. Market hasn't hit even the weekly pivot point and stands now below it. Next area of support stands right below the markets, around 136.19 the first area, 135.64 the major 618 support on the daily time frame, 135.29 and the weekly pivot support 1. So that is next area of strong support. Well, the one thing how you could trade it, just wait for the clear breakout or something, because as you can see on this formation, do not see any, in fact, any patterns. It's no butterfly. This was the one butterfly, it's right here. Okay, but it has accomplished already. Butterfly sell with the 127 extension targets right here, the same as the ABCD that we have discussed. Okay, but currently I do not see anything. Well, this could be, probably this could be the butterfly buy, for instance, if it will be something like that. Okay, this will be the left wing butterfly. Then market could show some retracement, for instance, to the weekly pivot point, and then turns to the downside. This could be the butterfly buy. The potential target of this butterfly will be at least around the weekly pivot support 1, but it's a bit very early to talk about it, because since the market hasn't even started the move to the upside, continuation to the upside, and currently it's very difficult to trade this market. Probably on the 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart you probably could find some patterns to trade with the very short-term perspective, but even on the 4-hour time frame and the hourly time frame, there is now any patterns that could be traded currently with this significant level of confidence. So if you still would like to trade something on euro currency, then probably you should take your profit fast and take the just nearest targets and do not marry in position, because market stands in decision. It's very choppy price action, and it could be splashed just in one moment if some release of some news will come from the Euro Union. It's very risky currently. Well, another way to trade it is just to wait the clear patterns that could be formed. On daily time frame there is this patterns dependent, so if you could try, you could try to trade this classical pattern, but still, as I said, it's very risky since market now stands in decision and is fastly and strongly reacts on any news that comes from the Euro Union. So I suppose that it's better to wait some clear patterns and do not be hasty to trade, since market will be here tomorrow also. Well, but this choice is up to you. So if you will find something on the lower time frames, you could trade it possibly then. But on the 4-hour time frame, hourly and daily time frame, there's really nothing that could be traded with the relatively low risk. Okay, so that's my current view on the situation. Be careful, don't risk much. Maybe it makes sense to reduce the trading volume in such kind of trading environment. Well, and I think that's the only way to trade this market currently, is trade inside some significant levels on the lower time frames, on the 5-minute chart, maybe on the 15-minute chart.